This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about kitchen utensils, specifically these bamboo kitchen utensils. It's a 5-piece natural bamboo set, and all of the utensils are 12 inches long by approximately 4 inches wide. We have the slotted mixing spoon, so great if you need to drain liquid off of items. And then our solid mixing spoon. Our slotted angled spoon, so this one you can see has a nice little kind of spatula-like feature there, and I really like this for both mixing and also getting towards the edges of pots and pans. And then there's a solid version of that angled spoon as well. And finally, we have the solid spatula. So great for turning, flipping, and just an overall versatile tool. All of these are made from natural bamboo, which is not only sustainable and eco-friendly, but naturally heat-resistant and durable as well, making them awesome utensils to use in your kitchen that also won't scratch your non-stick pans and other delicate cookware. They're recommended to hand wash to maintain their finish, and they're great for use in a variety of different tasks, in addition to just looking attractive out in a little canister on your counter. They're built to stand up to long-term commercial use, and they're perfect for any kitchen, whether that's a home kitchen or a professional one.